Possibly the easiest and most tastiest pasta ever. We're using cherry tomatoes, onions, garlic. It is really beautiful, this one. Quick and easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, absolutely nothing to this one, but really delicious. So any pasta you like, I'm using penne. I've got 3 cups of cooked penne pasta. Like I say, spaghetti, tagliatelle, all works just as well. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of onion, about a tablespoon of fresh parsley, a teaspoon each salt, pepper and oregano. Optional, but I like that in there. A little bit of fresh chili. There's a couple of fresh chilies in there. I've cut them big so you can fetch them out. Tablespoon of garlic, olive oil. Let's go. So you need some sort of skillet or something to do this in, or a wok type thing that I've got there. Now I've got olive oil in there, and I've got quite a lot of olive oil. There's about 4 tablespoons there. It's kind of part of the big flavor, really. So don't, skimp on it. I think it really is quite important. We're on above medium heat. We've got 1 cup of sliced onions there. 1 tablespoon of garlic. This is very, very quick and easy, by the way. We can drop our optional fresh chili in there. I love that. And we can add our salt, pepper, and I'm using a bit of dried oregano, about a teaspoon each there. Okay, 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Unbelievably, we're nearly there. Fabulous stuff. Let's grab that couple of cups of cherry tomatoes. If you want a few olives in here, could be also nice if you fancy some black or green olives. I'm using cherry tomatoes. You could just, if you can't get them or don't have them, you could use regular tomatoes and chop them up. These are a little bit sweeter. We're just going to go for another 2 to 3 minutes stirring this around. Just a couple of minutes there. Next up, we're going to grab our pasta. Like I said, I've got 3 cups here of penne. You can use a different pasta for sure. This pasta is cold, so we're going to heat it up via cooking here. And we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, stirring it around. We've done it. Off goes the heat. I'm using some chopped parsley here. Some fresh basil will be nice in there as well. In that goes. Little mix onto the table. Okay, and there you have it. Really, really simple, really, really tasty. If you wanted, I'm keeping this one vegan here. If you wanted, a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. But for me, like I say, keeping it veggie, keeping it vegan. There you go. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.